Hi there, students. Timely. Timely is an adjective. I know it ends in ly, but it's an adjective. It means occurring at a suitable time, is well timed, is very opportune. Okay, so the timely arrival of the police meant that the criminals did not escape. Thanks to the timely arrival of the fire brigade, the building did not burn down. So if something is timely, it's at the right moment, at an opportune time, at an opportune moment. Okay, the timely receipt of a loan stopped the company from going bankrupt. Now, I've been looking at this in various dictionaries, and they say you can use timely as an adverb, but in my opinion, no. Use the phrase in a timely way. He acted in a timely way, in a timely fashion. Yeah, he always paid his bills in a timely way, at the right moment, when it was needed. Okay, I was given a timely warning that the police were about to give me a parking ticket, so I ran and moved my car. Yeah, timely. It's done. It's done at the appropriate time. Yeah, it's well timed. It's very opportune. So this is a timely reminder that you need to be careful in certain places with and wear a mask, because COVID is still around. So timely, opportune, appropriate, well timed, prompt, suitable, convenient, judicious, at the right time, at the right moment. Yeah, this is a timely moment. This is an auspicious moment to do this. So timely. The timely arrival of my friends meant that it was going to be a really good day. I was having some problems, but the timely arrival of help was what was needed. Yeah, so it's appropriate to the time, appropriate to the occasion. Okay, so something that is at the right time. It comes at the right moment. So you need to make your a timely payment. Yeah. Okay. The announcement was very timely. It was the announcement was made at the right time. It was made at an opportune moment. So maybe if this word timely is all over the newspapers tomorrow, then this would be a timely moment to release this video. It would be the right moment. It would be a good moment to do it. This is the idea. Done at a favourable time. Yeah, it was well timed. It was just the right moment to do it. I think timely as well. You can probably say early enough to stop something. So timely diagnosis of a disease will help a patient significantly. Yeah, in time. This is the timely diagnosis before it's too late. Yeah. Before a major problem comes. It's timely. Okay, formality. I'm going to give this a 6. Timely arrival, 6.5. 6 in formality. I'm not sure I would use it informally. I guess so. probably better in a semi-formal or formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then timely, well, yeah, it's from time. Yeah. Um, there's an old English word, timlis, in good time, timely. So, enough. This is a timely moment for me to finish this video. It's well timed, it's on time, it's opportune. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Timely.